Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic November Beauty Box, and I have the limited edition Lookfantastic and Shiseido Beauty Box. I believe it's now sold out, unfortunately, but if you're interested in seeing the products that are inside the box, maybe you're waiting for it in the post, or you just want to see my thoughts or hear my thoughts on the products that are inside the box, in case you want to pick up some things individually on their website, then I will add my little unboxing of that near the end of the video. So the second part of this video will be a little unboxing of the Shiseido limited edition, because it's actually a really good box. It was great value and some real interesting products in it that I'm excited to use. But first of all, let's unbox this month's beauty box. So this is the Shiseido limited edition right here, and this is the November one. So I'm going to start off with the November one first. This is a booklet inside the box which tells all about the products that are inside this month's edition, and there's also some other beauty and skincare info in it as well. And then on the back here it has a December sneak peek, which is an Avant Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch Serum Cream, which is worth £98, so a really expensive product in next month's box. So I'm excited to try that out. Okay, so the first thing we get inside this month's box is this here from Polar. This is their Ice Pure Micellar Water. So I'm really excited to use this because I use micellar water every time to take my makeup off, before I go in with like a cleanser afterwards. But I always use micellar water to take my makeup off, and this looks really interesting. I haven't tried any micellars from this brand before. This has got Arctic cotton inside it, and it says this removes the most stubborn makeup and brings moisture and hydration to the skin without over drying it or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. So yeah, very excited to use this, and this is 50 ml. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is something from a brand that I quite like, and it's the This Works Perfect Legs Skin Miracle. So this is a tinted multivitamin serum that helps to perfect and cover skin imperfections. I think this would have been a great product to get round about the summer months, even though we didn't go anywhere, but this would have been a good product then, because I feel like maybe you would have your legs out more in the summer, like depending on where you are or where you're living, than in the winter time. But anyway, I'm excited to see how this goes. It says that this has vitamin C in it and also has vitamin E, which delivers a sun-kissed glow to the body. I've just seen here in the magazine that you either get this one from This Works, which is for your legs, or you'll get the In Transit Camera Close-Up, which is a moisturiser. It's like a 3-in-1 moisturiser. I really like that moisturiser. I'm happy either way with one I could have got, but I've got this one and I'm excited about it because I haven't tried this one yet. Yeah, and this is a 30 ml. Okay, so next thing we get inside the box is the sneak peek we got last month. It's from the brand Niobe. This is their Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream. Yeah, so this has got aloe vera in it, tea tree, raspberry, jojoba oil, ginkgo biloba, sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil. So a bunch of stuff in there, and I'm excited to give this a go. I'm going to give it a smell. So let me feel. It feels quite lightweight. Yeah, I can smell the almond in there. It says that this is a lightweight face cream which provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals, and it's ideal for all skin types. So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving this a go, and it is a 50 ml. Next thing we get is from Philip Kingsley. It's the Pure Colour Frizz Fighting Gloss. That's right there. It says that this Pure Colour Gloss is a conditioning heat protectant that improves colour vibrancy. So you'll either get this here, or you will get the Body Building Duo. So it's like a shampoo and conditioner or you'll get the gloss. And that's a 20 ml. Next thing we get is a Nail Zinc nail polish. This is in the shade Portland Square. So it's kind of like a vibrant corally orangey red shade. Like, yeah, it's a weird shade, but I think because this is a firecracker box, this is supposed to be like representing like fire and flames, I believe. I don't know, but anyway, that is a little nail polish we get in the box. And then we get this also from Lord & Berry. This is an eyeshadow, eye pencil, and it's in a bronzy kind of shade. Yeah, it's a bronzy colour, this one, or a gold colour. Is it bronze or gold? I think it's a gold shade, so you either get a bronze shade or a gold shade. Yeah, I'm not too sure what this shade is, but I think it might be gold or bronze. I don't know, but anyway, so that is a little eye pencil we get, and that is everything inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. I have a couple of standout products. So the first thing that I'm really looking forward to using is the Polar Micellar Water. This is going to come in really handy for me, and I'm excited to try it. Haven't tried the micellar from that brand. And then this from This Works. I quite like their moisturising thing, so I'm excited to see how this leg one is going to go, and it has a little bit of a tint to it as well, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. And then the gloss from Philip Kingsley. I haven't tried a gloss product from this brand. I've tried a couple of their hair masks and things, but not this. So yeah, I'm excited about these three products. These are my main standout products from the box, and yeah, I would love to know what your favourite products are from the box. Also what you think about this month's box as well. Yeah, let me know down below in the comment section. If you're interested in signing up for the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box. I also have a discount code where you can get 10% off your overall subscription, so I'll leave that down below as well. I also want to mention I do have an exclusive discount code with Lookfantastic where you can get 20% off a lot of products on their website, like anytime. It's still valid just now. I think it'll be running for quite a while, but yeah, if you're interested in grabbing anything from Lookfantastic, whether it's beauty, hair, fragrances, tools or anything like that, then you can use my 20% off discount code. There are some exclusions, like some brands are excluded from the discount, but all you need to do is just add the products you would like into your basket, then add my code, and it will tell you if those products are included in the 20% off. Feel free to use that anytime, guys, and thanks so much if you do use it. It really helps me out. But yeah, so that is everything for the November beauty box from Lookfantastic. Now I want to jump into the unboxing of the limited edition Lookfantastic and Shiseido beauty box. So yeah, let's get started with that. Okay, so this is the Shiseido limited edition box right here. I really like the design of this one, and you can see that it's bigger than the monthly beauty box. And I really want to show you the design of inside this because it's really cool. I'm going to take the little book off here. But yeah, so as you can see, they have sort of designed this in a way that is like a little advent calendar. So liking that. The value of this limited edition is £212, and it was selling on Lookfantastic for only £79. So you were getting like a really great value box here. And yeah, this is the booklet you get alongside the box. This tells us all about the Shiseido products and how much they're worth. They have quite a nice looking makeup line. So this is our makeup right here. I would really love to try, you know, some products from here, especially the foundation and concealer. They look really nice. I'm going to open the boxes in order because I believe they're kind of like a little skincare routine. So this is like the first step, I believe, which is a clarifying cleansing foam. So we use this to cleanse our face. So that's the packaging, and then let's have a look at it. That's it right there. This contains white clay to remove pollution particles from your skin, alongside mineral rich water from Japan's Cry Irishima Spring for super soft clean skin. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. It smells lovely, and it's a nice kind of thick cream where you're going to get like a really good lather, you know, for to cleanse the skin. Like, I'm excited to use that. It smells lovely. And it says it's suitable for all skin types, and it's worth £38. So yeah, I believe this is kind of like a little skincare routine, and this will be the second step. So you'll cleanse your face first, and then you'll use this, which is a soft and cushy polisher. This sounds interesting. Ooh, that's it right there. So I've never used a polish on my face before. It just sounds really good, like soft and cushy. So let's give it a wee smell. It smells lovely again. Oh, this has like little kind of gritty bits in it. It's kind of like a exfoliator. Yeah. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells really lovely and fresh. It says that this is a skin refining exfoliating polish with soy ingredient. The gentle texture clears the complexion and leaves your skin silky and smooth. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this. I just love the sound of it, like soft and cushy. Yeah, this is £26. And then step 3 is a treatment softener. We don't tone, we soften. Double the hydration, improve the texture and kickstart anti-aging in one product. So let me have it. Ooh, this looks interesting. Oh, this looks great. It's a kind of lotion here, or is it a lotion, or it says we don't tone, we soften. So it's not a toner, it's kind of like a softener that hydrates and improves the skin's texture. This sounds really great. I'm looking forward to trying this out. You don't need to use a cotton round for this. You can just take a few pumps of this on your hand, or pour a few drops of this out onto your hands and apply it to the face, and again, it smells lovely. It smells lovely and fresh. Like, very excited to try this out. So that is the third step in this little skincare routine, and this is worth £49. So step 4 is a product that I wanted to try from Shiseido for a long time, like a real long time, and I'm so happy to see this in this box. Like, yeah, this is amazing. This is the Ultimune face serum, and I had to use this today because you guys know I love serums. I just love serums on my skin, so I had to use this, and this is what it looks like. Well, this is not really what it looks like, that's the packaging. This is the bottle right here. I'm sure you guys have seen this for years now. It's something that I have always wanted to try from Shiseido, and so excited to try it now, and it is gorgeous. It's a really gorgeous serum. So we pump this out like so, and the texture of this, or yeah, like, it's a really kind of watery serum, and it feels amazing. Like, it is so lightweight, so watery, smells gorgeous, and just gives you a really nice kind of glowy look to the skin. So I applied this morning, and I'm loving it. It says strengthen your skin against pollution, aging and even stress with Shiseido's global hero, 25 years in the making and 23 patents. So yeah, this is a really great product actually, and I'm loving it. I cannot wait to use this more. Like, I've only used it today and I'm loving it, but I'm excited to use this, you know, for the next while, because yeah, it's just amazing. And you know me, I love serums. This is perfect. The wateriness of this is great. It just applies and just sits and absorbs into my skin amazingly. So I'm loving this. My favourite product from the box by far, because I wanted to try it for a long time. And this is £69. Next is step 5, and this is an eye cream that I've actually tried out already, and I'm actually really liking this. So this is an eye cream. It's the Bio Performance Glow Reviving Eye Treatment, and that's the packaging for it right there. So it's a really nice packaging, and with a twisty cap like that, and then there's a little hole here, and you just apply this, just roll this, not roll it, but sort of just apply this under your eyes like that, and just obviously massage your cream in. This is a really nice eye cream. I like how this applies. I really like it's nice and lightweight on the under eyes, and it feels really smooth, and it gives a little glow to the under eyes as well. So I'm liking this. The info on this says depuff, brighten, repair and glow with this targeted eye treatment for a visible difference in 1 month. I've only used it today, but I'm going to continue to use it, and hopefully in a month's time this gives me really nice bright and glowy under eyes. So I'm excited about this, and this is £48. The last step is to apply the cream, which is the wrinkle smoothing cream from Shiseido, and it's in this tub right here. This is it here. So I didn't actually apply this today. I only applied serum because quite a lot of times I just like to apply serum without a moisturiser on top. But I will give this a go tomorrow and see, you know, after I applied the serum, and see how, oh this feels, oh my god, this feels amazing. The formula or the texture of this is so light, and it feels nice and kind of watery as well. Oh, I love this. It just smells so nice as well. Like, I love the scent and the smell of these products. It says charged with hyaluronic acid to plump skin from within and visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles in just 2 weeks. It says here that this is £75. Wow. For this size? Really? Hold up. This is not £75 for this small one here. This is a mini. Yeah, a mini. It says that this box features some travel sizes, so the prices are for all full sizes that I've been telling you. Some of them are travel sizes, and I believe this will be a travel size because, yeah, this is definitely not £75 for this wee tiny guy. But anyway, it smells amazing, and I'm excited to use that. That is everything that we get inside this limited edition, and I think it's one of my favourite limited editions, especially skincare limited edition boxes from Lookfantastic, because the products just smell amazing, and they're like quite expensive products, and I wanted to try Shiseido for a long time, so I'm really happy to have a few of the products now. My favourite by far is the Ultimate Power Infusing Concentrate Serum. This is amazing. Like, it just feels amazing on the skin. Like, I know this box is not available anymore, but if you're looking for like a serum, then check this one out, because this is gorgeous. Like, if you like a nice lightweight and watery serum, this guy is for you. It's amazing. I love it. So I'm excited about this. Is by far my favourite. I'm looking forward to trying out this cream here. That also feels really nice. The softener here will be interesting as well. The eye cream is another one of my favourite products in the box as well. Like, I'm really liking how this applied to my under eye. So yeah, this and the serum, two favourites that I've tried so far, loving them. Hopefully they continue to work really good for my skin over the next few weeks. But yeah, that is it for this limited edition unboxing. I would love to know what you think about this box, and of course if you were able to get it, you know, before it's sold out, then I would love to know your thoughts on it, and if you've tried any products yet and what one is your favourite. Anyway, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed these two unboxings. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!